guys, we are now ready. I mean, we are getting ready because I'm going to have lunch. I need to eat lunch. I use sunscreen, guys, because it's so hot outside, and we need to take care of our skin for for the better.
I will put my shoes ready, okay?
Hmm?
I will put my shoes.
Uh-huh.
And then can I use the sunscreen also?
Yeah, you can. Hi guys, we're eating breakfast now. I love it. Come eat with me, guys. I love
For you, this is for mama.
it. Thank you, sir.
Very right?
Delicious. Actually, guys, we are here in restaurant to eat our breakfast. I have pancake here beside me.
Chocolate cereal.
I love it. It's delicious.
Yeah. Ini mahal. Ayah, give me the shoe.
Le. Hi guys, we are now done showering because we are been in swimming pool. So guys, the swimming pool it's down only my bed. Yet still so much people around it. See there, actually there, not here, guys. Uh, for now, I'm going to use my lip balm. Guys, this black is my, I don't know, but they call this Nunal. It's from my born, guys. We're gonna change for now. Bye. I'm done changing, guys. We are now making our hair. So I need to make my hair. This is my daily. See, guys. I make it. I make it scotch tape because we cannot bring this in, or when we are going to travel, we need to make like this. So it's for safety, guys. I already put in my body, only in my hands now. Of course, guys, we cannot show you that we are putting lotion in our body. It's not good. Just some. See, guys, I think I have only 3 hours in full. I become black because I'm not fully white. I'm a morena, a Filipina girl. already also put in my feet. So only this one to make sure that her skin is healthy. And now I will take my comb. Hi guys, we're now making our hair. And after this guys, I think it's already 5 p.m. Yeah, 5 p.m. I will sleep for 2 hours, 1 hour, because at 7 we need to go down to eat our dinner, and I will bring the kids to play down. You know, I need to bring them down to play with my employer. They are such a good employer to me, guys. That's why I am very blessed and grateful that they are my employer. Okay, guys, now I'm done. I'm gonna show you this one. Melissa is watching this one. Does she like this?
It's me.
It's me you're looking for. Ah. Hi guys. I want to sit here outside, guys, for a while. Okay guys, bye. We will have a video tomorrow because maybe we will go in the sea, yeah? In the sea or anywhere. I will see, guys. I will update you and everything. If you like to watch my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for today's video, guys. Bye bye.